Hi everyone, it's Shannon and welcome to today's video. If you haven't done so already, just hit subscribe and ring the bell. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. So for today's video, I'm a little late to the game because I got this box 2 weeks ago. We were actually going out of town and then just life got in the way, work, and I just haven't been able to just sit down and film what I got in my first ever, I guess it's Ipsy, subscription box. So I became a member of Ipsy. I subscribed for the Glam Plus box. There's 3 versions. There's Glam, Glam Plus, and Glam Ultimate. So I have the middle one, and it is $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products. And the reason why I went with the Plus was because I wanted full-size products. I had done Birchbox before and Allure Beauty Box, and those were always sample sizes, and if you like a product, you don't get enough of it, and I just had so many samples everywhere. So I felt like for basically double the money, I would get 5 full-size products, which I thought was better. So I went ahead and did a full year. So you get $25 off if you get a full year a subscription. So it was $275 for a full year. So hopefully I'd like it. This was my first box, so I'm gonna show you what I have inside and show you a couple. I did add some extras too, which we'll go into a little bit, but this is the box here. So it comes in this, it's pretty small. And I will say, it took a long time for shipping. I am in South Florida, so it comes from California. The shipping took like 2 weeks. And after I did the subscription, I did read that the subscription does, a lot of times the shipping is pretty slow. So that was kind of a disappointment, but that is what it is. This was June 2020. This is gonna go up on July 4th. So like I said, I was a little bit late to get the game for getting my June video up, but I did want it because this was my first box. But this was the makeup bag that it came in, which is really cute because it's really cute for summer. And I liked it, so it's really cute. I guess you get a new makeup bag every month with your box. So I thought it was cute, nothing, I mean, it's a makeup bag, so it's cute. So how it works is on the first of the month, you're billed. And I've already paid, so it's not a big deal, but I don't have to worry about that. But so it says on the first of the month you're billed, and then on the second of the month you can go in and see what you're going to get. So you fill out all those questionnaires, what you like, what you don't like, if you would like to always get get a lot of skincare products, or let's say eyeliner or eyebrow pencil, if you'd like that or not, and then also what kind of colors. So eyeshadows, I like neutrals. So I was like, I would like to get neutrals a lot. Would I like to get colors? Rarely. It doesn't say never, so there's only rarely. So you kind of pick and choose there, so they can kind of hopefully gear your box to what you want. With my first box, I'm not so sure it was geared towards me, but it wasn't a complete miss, but we'll get into that in a second. So on the second of the month, you can go in, see what they're going to give you, and then you can also add extras. And they're different prices. So some are full price, some are full-size products, and then I actually added 2 products that were only $3 each. So I don't know if they were sample sizes, but they were still pretty decent size for what they are, but they were only $3 each, so it only added $6. And since they shipped with my box, I didn't have to pay for shipping. So, and these were 2 items that I'm really happy that I did add. So I'll get to that in a second. So the first of my 5 full-size products is the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. And I like Dr. Brandt. I like this brand. I have so many primers right now that I haven't even had a chance to use them. And I'm not a big fan of luminizer primers, but it does say pores no more. So I do like primers that hide my pores. I haven't had a chance to use this one yet, but I'm interested in using it. I do like the brand Dr. Brandt. They have a microdermabrasion scrub that I love for my face. So I am curious to use this. I think I had put the middle choice as far as sometimes for a primer, and And I did go in after getting this, I did go in and change that to rarely because now I have so many primers. So, you know, I'm excited to use this, but I just have so many. I don't know when I'm going to use it, but you know, we'll see. Next up is the Nacific Fresh Herb Origin Eye Cream with Canadula. I hope I said that right. So this is the box. There we go. And this is the eye cream. Let's see, there we go. And I like eye cream. I have mentioned I am turning 44 this month, so eye cream is a necessity. And I like trying different eye creams. I haven't found one that I will not do without. I have tried different ones, so I'm curious to try this one. I can always use eye creams. I don't have too many. I definitely have right now, and I'm using, but I do have room in my I guess skincare regimen to add a eye care cream. So looking forward to using this one. Hopefully I really like it. But again, I'm glad for this product because I can always use eye cream. Next up is an eyeshadow, which is interesting because I usually like eyeshadow palettes. I don't have a lot of single shadows just because I'm not very creative and I'm not very, I guess, confident in my own eyeshadow skills to choose colors from singles to make my own, an eye look. So I like palettes. But this is from Ciate London, and I did see you can look later and see what else was available and what was chosen for other bags. And this is marbled metals. So this is the box it came in, and I got the color Entwine, I guess. Yeah, Entwine, and it was a lighter one. They had two different colors, and I'll swatch this in a second. And this is the little jar. So it's a loose eyeshadow, and it came in two different colors. I got the lighter version. So for me, that is going to work a lot better. It's probably one that if I do use it, I'll use it more than I would a darker color. So I am excited to try it. I'm gonna have to kind of learn how to use this because I'm not really confident enough to but it's a color that I probably can use. It's pretty neutral, so it's probably something that I can incorporate into one of the palettes that I already have, and but it's really interesting and I'm looking forward to trying it out. And last up is a eyeliner from Aracely, and it is a liquid eyeliner in coffee or cafe, and so it's a brown liquid liner. So I haven't really tried, I have a lot of liquid eyeliners, but they're all black. So this was one I was very excited. I'm actually wearing it now, and I liked it because I tend to wear black and I'm very pale, and I do wear a lot of browns, and I do have some cool regular brown eyeliners, but I don't have any liquid eyeliners that are brown. So I really liked using this tonight, and I used it with a palette, Juvia's Place, the Nubium. I'll post a link below. And I think it went really well because it's a very neutral color palette. So it was really fun. So I'll swatch this now. Let's see. And it went on really nice. It was a really pretty color. But it's, I guess, probably for someone as fair-skinned as I am, I thought it was very, I guess, more natural looking than a stark black. So I really liked it. I was very excited. It goes on really, really well. Very, very smooth. So I'm excited to keep using this. So we'll see. And if it's one that I like, I will definitely add it to my collection. So that's it for the 5 full-size products. Like I said, you could add on, and I did add on 2 products that were in the $3 range, I guess sample size. And the first one is a Naked Cosmetics lip scrub in vanilla cream, and it does smell like vanilla cream, so there's no scent-o-vision. But here it is. I love lip scrubs. Right now it's summer, so I don't really need my lips aren't too dry. But once it does get drier, my lips can get very, very chapped. So I love using lip scrubs to just kind of smooth them out, and it really just makes lipsticks go on so much smoother. So I was really happy to add this. I did run out of one recently, so this was great to add it, and for $3, just can't be beat. And the other product that I add is a contacts lipstick matte lipstick in the color Come Clean. So this is the box. This is the lipstick, and the color is actually what I'm wearing right now. It's a beautiful, beautiful nude, and I love it. For $3, can't be beat. Just absolutely love it. It's so creamy. It's like the perfect nude shade. I haven't worn it. Today was the first time I've worn it, so I haven't worn it to see how long it's gonna last, but it really, really went on really nice. Just really excited to keep trying this. So, and I really like this formula. So I'm gonna try and see if I really like it, if it lasts, because if it lasts, this is one that I could definitely add some more colors to my collection. Now, after your box is shipped, you can go in and choose some additional items, and they have sales and different items that are offered every day. I think it's at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I went in one day and I saw just a little bag that was $10. So I did add it. I don't remember what it was called. It just changes, but you can go in, and it's something that's only offered to people that are members that do get subscription boxes. So it's not like you can just go in and buy these items if you don't have a subscription box. So this is something that's kind of just like an extra feature where you can go in and buy some other items that were maybe available and somebody else got in another box that you didn't get in yours and you want to add. So that's what I did. This one was $10, and I was very, very excited that I did. So this was the little makeup bag that it came. Again, it's a makeup bag, no biggie, but it's cute. You can always use it for, different odds and ends. But in this came another Contacts lipstick. So this one is a little darker. This is in the color Sweet Emotion, and you can see here, this is the color. And I'll swatch it right here. So this is Come Clean, and this is Sweet Emotion. So those are the two colors. Again, like I said before, I'm wearing Come Clean, really like the formula, so excited to add another one. And I tend to not like a lot of dark lipsticks, but I think this one I will really like. It's still pretty neutral. It's just a darker neutral. So if I go with a lighter eye, I could see, putting a darker lipstick on. It's definitely maybe in winter. It also came with this little tiny blush from The Balm, and it's Girl Powder, and it's just like a peachy. It's like a not even peachy, probably like a mauvey rose pink. I'm really bad at describing colors, so I like it. I think it's great for travel. It's very, very matte. Let's see, and you can see right here. So it's pretty matte, but it's a really pretty color. I meant to wear it today, and then I put another blush on, so I didn't get to wear it. But I like it. It's pretty tiny, so like I said, it's great for travel. And I'll probably put it either in my travel bag or maybe in my gym bag once everything starts to reopen, and put it in my gym bag because it's like the perfect travel size. And the final product in that add-on little bag that I added was from Wander Beauty, which I love Wander Beauty. I've used their concealer and highlighter and foundation. Really, really fantastic brand. So when I saw this palette, I thought, why not? It's $10 for 3 different products. It's a great way to add a palette to my collection. So this is called the Wondrous Escape or Seascape palette, and here is the palette. So these are all shimmers, and I don't know if I'll ever wear that because I have blue eyes, so blue eyes and blue shadow just doesn't work. And this is the only matte, so this would be definitely the transition shade, but just a really beautiful palette. A lot of shimmers. I don't wear a lot of shimmers because just being older, it can sometimes I guess bring out the not so good features. So I tend to highlight or I guess accent with shimmers, but it's a really pretty palette, and for the price, really it can't be beat. So I'm excited to try it, and we'll see. And if I don't like it, it was only $10 for all 3, and I've spent more than $10 on a lipstick, so I think it was pretty good. So that's it. That was my first Ipsy subscription box Glam Plus box from Ipsy, and I won't say it was a complete hit, but it wasn't a miss either. I like the products. Do I absolutely love the 5 products that they chose for me? I probably love one, and that's the eyeliner. But I do like the other 4, and I really love the 2 that I added on for $3. I mean, you can't beat that. So I will say it was, I would say not quite a hit, but definitely not a miss. I'm excited to see what I'm going to get in July. So we'll see what comes in July, and that should be coming hopefully soon. Hopefully I'll get this video up sooner, so when I do get the box, I will post it sooner so you can see. So far, I like Ipsy. I did some research. I am looking into some more subscription boxes because I do like trying new products. And what I plan on doing is if I get products that I don't think I'm going to use, then I will probably start to use them and put them away for a giveaway. So I do like reviewing because I watched a lot of YouTube videos of other people's unboxing to see what I would want. And Ipsy right now seems like the best one for me right now. I also am a subscriber to FabFitFun. I've been doing that probably for almost a year now, but that one's only quarterly, and that one's not necessarily makeup, I guess, centric. It's kind of everything, so I really wanted something that was more makeup centric, so we'll see. So what is your favorite subscription box? Have you tried Ipsy? Have you tried others? I know BoxyCharm is another one. Like I said, I've done a Lore Beauty box and Birchbox, but those were all samples. So let me know if you have a subscription box that you really like that I should try. Let me know, and let me know in the comments. And if you have an idea for another video, let me know. What I'm planning to do is I do want to still focus on my Disney and travel and family stuff, and that's probably going to be Wednesday posts, and then my Saturday posts will be kind of more lifestyle. I'm not a beauty vlogger. I don't intend to be, but this is kind of more of, hey, a mom of a toddler who likes to play with makeup and what I'm getting, and is it worth your money? So that's kind of what I'm going for. So I'm going to start trying to post twice a week. Definitely will be posting on Wednesdays, so these videos will hopefully be going up on every Saturday going forward, and we'll see. Life with a toddler, sometimes Saturday it just might not get posted, but we will try. With that, I will see you guys next week, or see you on Wednesday, and have a great day. And if you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave them below, or find me on Instagram at mrs.shannon.ford. Bye everyone.